beautiful vehicle.
We got a 1967 T28. Big block blower. Missing the hose. We don't know how much horsepower it has because she hasn't said, but it's probably 800 to 1,000.
Yeah, 1,000 horsepower. Let's walk around the vehicle, check it out.
And here's a superstar of the show.
I'm up too far. I'm up way
How you doing,
far.
Johnny John? Always getting it done, always getting it delivered. A beautiful vehicle. Tell me all about it.
There's nothing to tell.
Oh, gorgeous. All right, give me the engine and the wheels, and I'll see you tomorrow. Look at that thing, nice. That's a Z28 and it's Chevrolet.
Hey, yeah.
We're gonna make love to the car, you don't mind, do you? Oh, I love it. Oh, a lot of foreplay on this vehicle. Engine, we can touch it, I don't burn my hand. Ah! All right, Friday, cruising, Jets, PJ, and Davie. We'll see you on the next vehicle. That way or this way? One of these.